May 16th, 2020. Just got the Massey Ferguson 3165 back. This tractor is a beast. She's an old one, but she's solid. And we had that cracked loader arm issue. It's like cracked here, and then it runs up here, and in here, and around into here. Wow, I didn't realize it was quite so extensive actually. So I had this repaired by my friend Steve down at Steve's Automotive and Welding in Red Hook. And Steve does excellent work, and he grew up on a big farm, his father's farm, which I worked on with him for a while. And he does excellent welding work, excellent mechanic work. And so he welded this all up for me and got it all straightened out. So now we got a working bucket again, so we can get back to doing things more efficiently around the farm here, which is excellent. And getting ready to rock and roll. I will see if I can dig up the video of the crack and share with you. But glad to have this back. And my other friend Glenn of G&H Enterprises did the transport for me, because I didn't want to drive this down the road with a cracked loader arm. And I also don't have all the lighting that you're supposed to have to drive down the road with the tractor. Those are all things that need to be upgraded and added on this. So thank you to Steve at Steve's Automotive and Welding and Glenn at G&H Enterprises. And I think that's it on the tractor. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.